Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Steps. Today our topic is Kittura Kesari. It is in the Siri Kannada textbook for class 6. This is a patriotic poem and it is describing about Kittura Rani Chennamma's braveness. She bravely fought against British rulers like a lioness. Lioness means Kesari. Here in this video, I am going to explain all the question and answer of this chapter in simple English. So it would be easy for all of you to understand. Then let's start the topic. Vittasthala Tumbiri. Vittasthala Tumbiri means fill in the blanks. First one. Annake bandiruva kunigala mannisade. Annake means the motherland. Bandiruva. Bandiruva means who has come to the motherland. Kunigala. Kunigala means the dogs. Manisade. Manisade means not tolerate. So, will not tolerate the dogs that have come to the motherland. Here, the dogs are compared to the British rulers. Next one. Hodari Sirinadu Parakiara Basake. Hodari means his sister. Sirinadu. Sirinadu means our prosperous land. Parakiara. Parakiara means the foreigners. Basake. Basake means they have fallen into the hand. So my sister, our prosperous land has fallen into the hand of the foreigners. Here foreigners means the British rulers. Next one. ಕರಿನೇಲದ ಗರಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಲು ಬಿಳಿಯ ಗೀರಿಗೆ. That means ಕರಿನೆಲದ means the black soil. ಗರಿಮೆಯನ್ನು means the glory. ತೋರಿಸಲು means to show. ಬಿಳಿಯರಿಗೆ means to the white people. So we have to show the glory of our black soil to the white people. Next one. ಮಮ್ಮಲನೆ ಮರುಗಿದಳು ಮನ್ನನಂದು ಕೊರಗಿದಳು. That means ಮಮ್ಮಲನೆ means intensely. ಮರುಗಿದಳು means burn. ಮನನಂದು means her heart. ಕೊರಗಿದಳು means anguished. So her heart was intensely burned and anguished. That means she was sad. Next question. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದ ಬಳಸಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ means one sentence. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದ ಬಳಸಿ means the following words are given and we have to create our one sentence using those words. So first word is ಚರಿತ್ರೆ. ಚರಿತ್ರೆ means character. So ರಾಣಿಯ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ರಾಣಿಯ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ means Rani's character is good. Next one. ಜಯಮಾಲೆ. ಜಯಮಾಲೆ means garland. ಸೀತಾ ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ಜಯಮಾಲೆ ತೋಡಿಸಿದಳು means Sita puts a victory garland or jayamale on Rama. Runa means debt. ನಾನು ತಂದೆಗೆ ಋಣ ತೀರಿಸಿದೆ means I repaid the debt to my father. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದು means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence, ಉತ್ತರ means answer, ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means write. So we have to write the answer in one sentence. So the first question is ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಏನೆಂದು ಕಣ್ಣವರಿಸಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಕಡಿದಳು. That means ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, the queen of Kittur, ಏನೆಂದು means what, ಕಣ್ಣವರಿಸಿ means dreamt of or in her dream. ಹಲ್ಲು ಕಡಿದಳು means grinding her teeth. So what did ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ dreamt of while grinding her teeth? Answer is ತಮ್ಮ ಸಿರಿನಾಡು means our prosperous land. ಪರಕೀಯರ ವಶವದಂತೆ means Britishers possessions. ಇದರಿಂದ that ಮಲಸರ್ಜನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ means ಮಲಸರ್ಜನ is king of Kittur. Manasige means heart. So Malasarjana's heart ನೋವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ means it will painful or it will hurt. ಎಂದು means this one. ಕನವರಿಸುತ್ತ means in her dream. ಹಲ್ಲು ಕಡಿದಳು while gritted her teeth. So queen of Kittur Chennamma gritted her teeth thinking that this would hurt Malasarjana's means her husband's heart, as if her prosperous land had become Britishers' possession. Next question. ನಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನವನ್ನು ಉಂಡು ಕೊವಿರುವವರು ಯಾರು? ನಮ್ಮ means are, ಅನ್ನವನ್ನು means food, ಉಂಡು means eating, ಕೊವಿರುವವರು means getting fat, ಯಾರು means who. So who are the ones who are eating and getting fat on our motherland? So the answer is ನಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನವನ್ನು means our food, ಉಂಡು eating, ಕೊವಿರುವವರು and getting fat. So who are the ones? The answer is Britishers. So Britishers are the ones who are eating and getting fat on our motherland. Here in this question, in place of yaru, only we have to write Britishers. Next one. ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈನಿಕರನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಏನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು? Means ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, what did ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ say about the soldiers? So the answer is ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಛಲತೊಟ್ಟು means with rising voice, ಹುಲಿಯಂತೆ ನುಗನೆ. ಹುಲಿಯಂತೆ means like a tiger, ನುಗನೆ means attack ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. So ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ said with rising spirit to the soldiers that let us attack the foreigners or the Britishers like tigers. Next question. ಯಾರ ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ ಸೈನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಯಿತು? ಯಾರ means whose, ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ means grace, ಸೈನ್ಯವನ್ನು means the army, ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಯಿತು means built. So by whose grace was the army built? The answer is in place of yara we have to write Raja Guruvina, means Raja, with the help of Raja Guruvina the army is built. So ರಾಜಗುರುವಿನ ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ ಸೈನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಮರುಜನ್ಮ ನೋಡೆಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದರು? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿತ್ತೂರ್ ಮರುಜನ್ಮ means rebirth, ನೋಡೆಂದು means seeking, ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ means from whom, ಯಾಕೆ means why, ಕೇಳಿದಳು means asked. So from whom did ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ask for rebirth and why? So the answer is ಕರುಣಾದ ಒಡತಿಯ means for the Karnataka goddess. ಹತ್ತಿರ ಮರುಜನ್ಮ means for the taking rebirth. ನೀಡು means is seeking. Then ಹೆನಾಗಿ means like a woman. ಇದೆ means this. ನೇಲದಲ್ಲಿ means to the land. ಹುಟ್ಟಿ means birth. ನಿನ್ನ means your. ಋಣವನ್ನು means your debt. ತೀರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ means to repay. ಎಂದು this one ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡರು means ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ the queen of Kittur, she prayed at the feet of Karnataka goddess that please give me rebirth as a woman in this land so that I can repay your debt. Next question. ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಎನೆಂದು ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಡಳು. ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ means queen ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ means by closing her eyes. ಎನೆಂದು means what? ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಡಳು means she was praying. So what did ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ pray for with closed eyes? So the answer is ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ means in this land. ಹುಟ್ಟುವಂತೆ means taking birth. ನೀಡನೆಗೆ means I am seeking to take bath in this land. ಎಂದು means this. ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ means ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು means by closing her eyes. ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿಯನ್ನು means to the goddess of Karnataka, Bhuvaneshwari. ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಳು means she was praying. So ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ close her eyes and pray the goddess that grant me birth in this soil. Next one. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. 2 means 2, 3 means 3. So write the answer in 2 to 3 lines for the following questions. Next question. ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯ ಕಲಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯ means rejected, ಕಲಿಗಳಿಗೆ means rocks, ಹೇಳಿದಳು means called. So to whom she called the rejected rocks? So the answer is ಪರಕೀಯರ ಎನೆಂದು ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯ ಕಲಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. So ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ called the Britishers as the rejected rocks. ಪರಕೀಯರ means the Britishers Enendu means like this. So Chennamma called the Britishers as the rejected rocks, and she addressed the soldiers as Elire. Elire means rise up. Elire. ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯ ಕಲಿಗಳೇ ನೀವು. So you have to rejected this rocks. So you have to rise up. Then ಕರಿನೆಲದ means our land. ಗರಿಮೆಯನ್ನು means our pride of our land. ತೋರಿಸಲು. So to keep the garima means to keep the pride of our land. ಬಿಳಿಯರಿಗೆ means the foreigners or the white people. Okay, ಛಲ್ಲತೊಟ್ಟು means to keep with the determination. ಛಲ್ಲತೊಟ್ಟು means with the determination. ಹುಲಿಯಂತೆ means like a tiger. Okay, so like a tiger. ನುಗನ್ನ means we have to attack. So ಎಂಬುಗಾದಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು means this is a thing Chennamma told to the soldiers, that rise up my brave warriors with determination, show the white people or foreigners the glory of our black soil, pounce on them like tigers or attack them like tigers. Next question. ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನೋವಾಗಲು ಕಾರಣವೇನು? Means what was the reason for Chennamma's pain? ನೋವಾಗಲು means pain. So what was the reason? ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಛಲದಿಂದ means with a determination ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದ ಜಯಮಾಲೆ means ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದ means victory, ಜಯಮಾಲೆ means garland. ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, that means for some days Chennamma won the victory garland through her determination. Then what happened? Then ದುರ್ಮತಿಯದಿಂದ ಸೋಲಾಗಿ, ದುರ್ಮತಿಯದಿಂದ means due to some evil intention, ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲದ means motherland, ರಕ್ಷಣೆ means save, ಕ್ರೇಯಿ ಮೆರಿತಿಂದು means it was slipped from her hand. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ನೋವಾಯಿತು means that was the pain, because Chennamma won the victory garland through her determination for some days, but within the few days she suffered defeat due to some evil intention or some traitors. It pained her that she could no longer protect her motherland. Next question. ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ means Chennamma ಏನೆಂದು ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಡಳು? That means closing her eyes, what did Kittura Kesari ask for or praying for? So the answer is ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ means in this land, ಹೇನಾಗಿ as a woman, ಹುಟ್ಟುವಂತೆ means birth, ಮರಜನ್ಮ means rebirth, ನೀಡನೆಗೆ means I am pleading to take rebirth in this land. ಎಂದು ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಚಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು means by close her eyes she told this thing like, I want to take rebirth as a woman in this soil. To whom she told? ಕರುನಾಡ ಓಡತಿ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಯನ್ನು. So Bhuvaneshwari is the goddess of Karnataka. ಕಂಡು ಕೊಡಲು means she was ಕಿತ್ತೂರ ಕೇಸರಿ means Chennamma closed her eyes, prayed the goddess of Karnataka, Bhuvaneshwari, saying, please grant me to rebirth as a woman in this soil. So this is all about the question and answer of this chapter. I hope now it will be easy for all of you to understand the chapter. If you feel this video is useful, then like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.